So this is problem 8.3. Here we have several objects that are moving in the plane, and we're told their masses and their speeds and shown what the directions of their velocities are. And so now what we want to do is find what the net momentum for various combinations of these objects is. So first for A and C, what is the net momentum for those two? B and C, and then all three of them considered together as a system. So the most logical place to start is just with computing getting an expression for the momentum of each of these individually, and then we just add up our expressions instead of trying to, going to the bother of, doing some of these more than once. So for object A, we can see it has a mass of 5.